The Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop is a budget-friendly gaming laptop that offers decent performance for entry-level gamers. The Acer Nitro 5 features a 9th-gen Intel Core i5-9300H processor, providing solid performance for gaming and everyday tasks. Graphics. It comes with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GPU, which is capable of handling most games at medium settings. Display. The laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate, providing a comfortable gaming experience. Memory. It includes 8GB DDR4 RAM, which is sufficient for most gaming titles. Storage. The Acer Nitro 5 comes with a 256GB NVMe SSD, offering fast storage and ample space for games and files. Design. The laptop has a minimalist design with a faux carbon fiber weave on the chassis, giving it a sleek and modern look. Price. The Acer Nitro 5 is priced under $1,000, making it an excellent option for budget-conscious gamers. The Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop is a great choice for mainstream gamers looking for a budget-friendly option with solid performance. It may not be suitable for hardcore gamers or those seeking a premium build, but it delivers good value for its price.